Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that the true dreams commenced the revelation of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So whatever vision he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would see, its interpretation would manifest itself like a gleaming morning. Then love of seclusion was inspired in the heart of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would retire to the cave Hira and worship therein alone. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would stay in the cave for many nights and take the victuals along with him. When the victuals would get exhausted, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would come back and take more provision from Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha. Meanwhile, all of a sudden, the revelation descended on him in the cave Hira. The angel came and said to him, "Read." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "I am not a reader." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "The angel then embraced and pressed me tight to an extent that he applied his utmost force in pressing, and then releasing me, said, 'Read.' I again replied, 'I am not going to read.' Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'The angel again embraced me and pressed me with his utmost power, and then releasing me and said, 'Read.' I thereupon said, 'I am not going to read.' Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'The angel for a third time clutched and embraced me and praised me with his maximum might, and then releasing me said,' Translation: Read in the name of your Lord, who is a creator. He created man from a clot of blood. Read, for your Lord is the most generous, who taught writing by the pen and taught man what he knew not.' Surah Al-Alaq, verse 1 to 5. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then, taking that revelation, reached Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha trembling and said, 'Wrap me up, wrap me up.' The members of the family enveloped him in clothes until his fear melted away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then narrated the whole episode to Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha and said, 'What will happen to me? I am fearful of my life.' Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha submitted, 'Never, congratulations. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never disgrace you. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you bolster up the bonds of kinship, speaks the truth, carries the burden of the weak, bestows wealth on the destitute people, entertains the guests, and renders help to the calamity-stricken people in the way of truth.' Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha then took Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Waraqah bin Nawfal, her cousin, who was a Christian during the pre-Islamic period of ignorance and would write the gospel in Arabic as much as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. He has grown extremely old and lost his eyesight. Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha said to him, 'O uncle, listen to your nephew.' Waraqah bin Nawfal said to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, 'O nephew, what have you seen?' Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him the whole episode of receiving the revelation. Waraqah whereupon said, 'This is the same angel who brought the revelation to Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. Would that I were young. I wish I would be alive when your people would exile you from your country.' Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Will they really banish me?' Waraqah said, 'Yes. Whosoever was blessed with revelation like you, the people became a foe of him. If the time permits me, I will strongly support you.' Sahih Muslim Hadees number 401.